What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make use of Google Bard to write your blog post. So right here guys, you want to simply go on to bard.google.com. So once you write it, you want to simply just sign in right here using your email right there. So once you write it guys, all you want to simply do is to tell me what's on your mind, or you can easily pick a suggestion right here. You can easily go on to this page right here to simply just scroll down and simply just pick a suggestion right, so you can easily enter a prompt. So I'm just going to paste in a prompt right here. So I'm just going to enter my prompt here. I paste this right here. I'm just going to do this one more time. So right, and simply just submit right here, and Google Bard is going to create a blog post talking about mindfulness and productivity, finding the right balance right. So as you can see right here, Google Bard is actually doing a great job right here by simply just writing a blog post right here. And as you can see, it says session on Google to add more to this right here. And guys, you can also view other drafts right here. As you can see, if I tap on this, these are draft 1, draft 2, draft 3 right here. So you can easily select this, and this can also there's like a speaker right here that enables them to read this right here for you. I'm just going to play this so that you listen to it. That is it. You can also upload image and add to your blog post right here. So guys, this is how you can actually write a blog post using bard.google.com.